How do you enable battery saver on Android? Let's go, guys. It's simple. You'll start by clicking on Settings. Here in the Settings menu, scroll down and look for Battery, okay? Look for the battery option. Here it is. When you find it, click on it. Once you click, you'll automatically see the option to save battery. Notice that I'm going to select it here, but first, look that in this case, the battery still lasts for 1 day and 7 hours. When I select the battery saver option here, in addition to changing the device's display color, I'll also increase the battery life, okay? That's the first way. I'm going to uncheck it here because you can also do the following. You can simply, with your finger on your phone screen, swipe down to open the settings menu at the top. Go ahead and swipe down, and when you do, you'll automatically find this battery icon with a leaf inside. Okay, guys? Here is also the option for you to activate battery saver. So if yours has a battery icon in the drop-down menu, you can tap on that option and you'll also be saving battery, okay? I hope I was able to help. If I helped you, don't forget to help me to subscribe to the channel.